বাহ,
Queries are pooled across all bridge agents that
Very
are set
good.
up for live and extract.
তারপরে?
Right? When you set up a bridge client, you saw that in the screenshot before. You
তারপরে
have
কিছু
the
না?
option for
আচ্ছা।
doing live and extract or just extract. For any
Now
bridge client
I
on
know
your
my-
site that is set up for live and extract, it is now part of the live query pool.
Next
and
time?
it can receive that query and service that query at
ও
any
কিছু একটা পড়েছে।
So that's important because that all
I
of your
am
clients
going.
are set up
করতে
for live
পারে।
connections. Right? Obviously, you need
Next
to be
কি?
able to access that
Let's go
resource so that it can serve
বাহ, ভেরি গুড, হাততালি দাও।
encrypted at runtime
হুম।
and you can get it from Tableau Online and then pass it to the bridge client. So that's all there is
এটা
to
হচ্ছে
it.
ধর্মতলা গেছিলাম কালকে,
To any bridge client,
ধর্মতলা থেকে
live
কিনেছি।
connections, and the data source should appear there right away after you're done publishing.
তা পছন্দ হয়েছে?
For extracts, it's a little bit more complicated.
কিন্তু তুমি কালকে শুধু ঘড়িটা পরে ঘুমিয়েছিলে,
Like bridge like Benji,
তোমার তো জামা কাপড় পরনি তো।
make sure that the bridge has those credentials locally.
তুমি কি ঘড়িটা দিয়ে লজ্জা ঢেকে দিয়েছিলে?
That extract. So it needs those credentials locally,
Huh?
puts them in the Windows Credentials Manager, and access those resources.
ওটা দরজা আটকালো
So after I publish that
এমনি।
extract, within
How
online,
are you?
হাওয়া দিয়ে।